Welcome back. Thanks for staying with us. It's time now for our Thursday feature, In Their Words. In this evening's edition, students from Mona Prep sound off on male stereotypes.
There's a saying, boys will be boys, which usually connotes something negative. And then there's...
I heard that boys should never cry, boys do not like reading, and boys are not as bright as girls.
At just 9, Khalil Bartlett knows all too well some of the limitations society places on boys.
For the one that says boys should not cry, this is not true because I think boys should be able to express their emotions freely.
In fact, the students link emotionally deprived boys to crime.
There are gangsters that actually recruit young boys with that childhood to emotional trauma.
So what do you think can be done to help our boys, I mean, so that they don't take that path of crime and violence?
I think something that we could do to help them is that we could encourage parents to be more gentle with them, not to go like, hey, you need to go up, get up, and treat them like they're servants. You need to treat them like they're actual children, because there are actually a lot of children that turn to a life of crime just because of how bad their childhood was with their parents.
On how to get boys deemed disruptive more interested in school,
I would create a program for the young boys and the youths who are out there who are badly behaved and wayward, and I would ask them what they're interested in and what they like, and then I would install that in the program, and I hope that would make them more interested.
and some key tools for life.
You have to have manners and morals to reach far.
Being disciplined can help you in many ways, like your schoolwork. And when you do your schoolwork, it's not that you will do one part and leave the other part. You will finish it when you're disciplined.